Eat another orange.
What's this?
Is it sour? Is it sour? Oh, but it's so good. Got to have another one. Got to have another one. Mmm. You are silly. Jake's first mandarin oranges. He don't know whether he likes them or not. Sour, but he can't quit eating them. Yeah. Big bite. Big bite. Eat it. Eat it. Jake. Jake. You gonna eat it? You're gonna be sticky if you keep playing with it. Well, excuse you. Excuse you. Mmm.